This is the choice of professionals. The top-of-the-line chainsaws from Echo. Every Echo chainsaw is powered by a high-performance, professional-grade two-stroke engine, certified to meet the EPA's highest emission compliance and durability rating of 300 hours. Every Echo chainsaw is built to power through the toughest jobs for years of dependable performance. Every Echo top-handled chainsaw complies with all 4 ANSI safety recommendations. Echo top-handled chainsaws have automatic adjustable oilers, so you can adjust the amount of oil to match the cutting conditions. With the side access chain tensioner, adjusting the chain tension is quick and easy. All Echo top-handled chainsaws provide a vibration reduction system for maximum operating comfort and reduced fatigue. But that's just the beginning. These are just a few of the many features that make Echo the choice of professionals. Every Echo chainsaw is backed with a 5-year consumer and 1-year commercial warranty, plus a lifetime warranty on the ignition module. Visit the Echo website to learn more about our chainsaws. You may also use the online product selector guide if you need help finding the best chainsaw for your application.